Hi, good afternoon. I'm a professor in mechanical engineering. I'm also the associate director of the new Mobility Transformation Center launched by the University of Michigan in collaboration with many industrial partners. So I want to first talk a little bit about connected and automated vehicles and try to elaborate why it is important. And then I will talk about the activities happening at University of Michigan and in particular at MTC. So this is why automated vehicles are important. We know that every year more than 30,000 people were killed in the United States. And worldwide, there is a huge problem with aging society. So Japan is probably leading the world in that, but US is not too far behind. It's growing to about more than 20% by 2050. And finally, there are energy congestion problems that many of those can be addressed by the automated vehicle technologies. Connected vehicles is a technology that basically believe that information can be transmitted to the vehicles for entertainment and other things. In addition, when this information are collected, the information can be used for doing many functions. I don't know, you still remember the past cold winter. Oh, by the way, today it really looks like a winter day still. But in winter of this past year, we have a very severe pile-up in the western Michigan. And we believe connected and automated vehicle technologies are critical in avoiding crashes like this. In this weather situation, people just couldn't see clearly, but they still drive too fast. And you see these cars and trucks keep coming in, even though a pile up already happened. Before everything settled, more than 193 vehicles pile up, and there's 1 fatality and 23 injuries. We believe these are accidents that can be avoided by connected and automated technologies. And it's almost hard to go by another week without hearing some update from OEM suppliers or newcomers talking about new concepts such as from Google Robotaxi, GM Super Cruise, and so on and so forth. So many of these technologies will become available very quickly. In about this year or next year, you will be able to start buying traffic jam assist, combined adaptive cruise control plus lane keeping, so-called super cruise type of idea. Many of these technologies will become available. And within the University of Michigan, we are working with Professor Ryan Eustace is working closely with the Ford Motor Company. And this is one thing they are working on. So we know that the LiDAR sensors used by the Google car cost about $70,000. In order for these technologies to propagate to mass market more quickly, it is important to find out new and cheaper ways to do it. So one research that Professor Eustace is doing is to use this map generated by LiDAR, but then the maps can be used by cheaper camera systems for much improved accuracy. And because of these maps are generated by LiDAR, very accurate, but camera can really sort of take advantage of the expensive maps. Another example of research we are doing, for example, is we are collaborating with the Argonne National Lab, which is a Department of Energy laboratory. We built a model of the city of Ann Arbor, and these macroscopic simulation models will be used to simulate the effect of connected and automated vehicles and electrified vehicles on energy, emission, and also congestion reduction. So let me move on to a new exciting research center that was launched by the University of Michigan, again, together with many industrial sponsors, and that's called Mobility Transformation Center. Within the MTC, one of the very exciting new test facility that we are building is this test facility called M-City. So if you can see the Blue Water Tower, which is the Blue Water Tower at the Plymouth Road, you know where the test track is. We designed this test facility to be specifically for the purpose of testing connected and automated vehicles. And there are 13 signals intersections. They are all V2I, vehicle to infrastructure communication equipped. They are designed with various road surfaces, concrete, asphalt, and so forth. And then going forward, you will see many testing happening at this facility. If you happen to live in this neighborhood, please mark your calendar. July 23rd and 24th, we do plan to have a grand opening and open the test track for the public to come to see the track, and also some demo of the functions we plan to do in this test facility. M-City is only one of the facilities. Actually, the Mobility Transformation Center has a grand plan of transforming Ann Arbor and also Southeast Michigan to be the world-leading connected and automated vehicle testing environment. Today, Ann Arbor already have 2,800 cars connected running on the streets, and we plan to increase the number to about 9,000. And also working with the Michigan DOT, we plan to instrument the Southeast Michigan highway system and neighboring local roads to demonstrate the connected vehicle functions. And roughly speaking, we estimate about 500 nodes and about 20,000 cars instrumented by the OEMs and MTC partners will be running in these highway systems, demonstrating the future capabilities of connected vehicles. And finally, the automated Ann Arbor concept means we will be testing many of the automated vehicle functions in M-City and gradually introduce level 1, level 2, level 3, even up to level 4 vehicles in selected areas. For example, we are planning to instrument a level 4 automated vehicle service between the VA hospital and the University of Michigan hospital so that the patients can go between the two hospitals without actually needing to drive a car or hire a taxi. So next, I want to play this video that shows basic concept of Mobility Transformation Center. Can we play the video?
We all know how the computer and internet revolutionized our world and transformed our lives. Well, something just as revolutionary, just as transformative is happening in automotive transportation that will also dramatically change your life for the better. Imagine a horrific car crash prevented safely and easily, all because the cars were able to talk to each other. These are breakthrough technologies that could save tens of thousands of lives a year and prevent over 1 million injuries in the United States alone. Imagine avoiding traffic tie-ups because your car automatically steered itself to a clearer route. Also imagine better traffic flow, saving you time, making your life easier and more predictable, while also saving billions of gallons of fuel and dramatically reducing greenhouse gases. Imagine automated transportation on demand, picking you up and dropping you off anywhere you want to go. This will also provide freedom of movement for people who lack mobility options now. These same technologies will transform freight shipments, delivering everything from pizzas to your front door to tons of food and supplies in overcrowded cities around the world. Imagine this transformation triggering economic expansion, producing a multitude of new business opportunities and creating new jobs. What sounds like science fiction is becoming science fact, a reality at the University of Michigan's Mobility Transformation Center and its unique test facility, M-City, where faculty from across the university's top-ranked departments are partnering with government and a wide range of industries, drawing on their combined expertise to tackle a broad spectrum of critical issues in engineering, automotive design, computer science, human factors, business, big data, telecommunications, urban planning, policy, safety, insurance, and law. Providing rigorous testing and development at its one-of-a-kind test facility. And with thousands of vehicles belonging to everyday people doing everyday things, deployed on roadways throughout Ann Arbor, expanding soon to tens of thousands of connected.
I guess that's good enough. MTC was launched with enthusiastic support from 14 leadership circle companies. We also signed up 27 affiliate member companies. We are all working together to the grand goal of advancing the technologies of connected and automated vehicles. Thank you very much.